Hello guys, this is video 2 of 5 in the construction videos. This video is how to construct congruent angles. So you'll see on your paper angle A, and what I'd like you to do first is draw a ray somewhere on this paper and label the endpoint B. So just like mine over here. So here's the endpoint B. This is my ray, so make sure that it has the arrow on the end like that. And again, just like the last example, you could put this ray anywhere. It doesn't have to be directly next to my picture or next to the angle that you have. Okay, so you would use a straight edge to draw that ray. Just reminding you of that. Please don't do it freestyle. Literally take the ruler and draw a ray. All right, the second thing you're going to do is you're going to take your compass. You're going to put your sharp part on the vertex of angle A. And then what you're going to do is you are going to make an arc on your original angle. So it doesn't matter how close to the vertex or how far from the vertex that this arc is. The only stipulation is that you need to make sure that it's within the arrows of the rays. So I typically like to go like halfway. So I'm locking this in because we're going to use this setting in a second again. And I'm going to draw an arc. So here we go. So now with this setting, put the sharp part on the ray that has the endpoint of B. There we go. And then make an arc that intersects with the ray. So I would make this arc pretty big because we're going to have to use it in a second. So make sure it gives you enough space. If it isn't drawn large enough, then you can come back and like redo it, like remeasure and go back and just elongate it. But why go back and do more work if you can just do the whole thing correctly the first time? So just make the arc nice and long. Okay, so from there, then we're going to take the sharp part and put it on either the top part of the intersection on angle A or the bottom part. It doesn't matter. So I'll put mine on the bottom. Unlock that. You want to put the pencil part at the top part of the intersection. So you're measuring the width of the angle. That's basically what you're doing. Okay, swipe that we have it. So here we go. Good. So then what we're going to do, all that was doing is just making sure that I have the width correctly. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put the sharp part on the intersection over here on what will be angle B eventually. I feel like that's not getting where I need to get. There we go. The intersection of, the intersection of this arc with the ray. So you can either make an arc above like where I'm going to go or below. It doesn't matter because the concept will still be the same. So I'll make mine above. Here we go, just like that. Put that away. And then what you're going to do last is take your straight edge again. And from the vertex to the intersection of the two arcs over there, you want to draw a line, or a ray rather. Sorry, I'm trying to get this perfect, guys. Maybe a little off because this is a weird program to use and I'm trying. Yeah. There we go. So sorry, guys, I'm doing my best. So yeah, you'd want to draw a line with your straight edge and your pencil that connects the vertex and goes through the intersection. Remember to put the arrows on the end. Again, this is a little messy, this part on this program, but you get the point. So that is constructing an angle congruent to an original angle. So that was video 2. Again, guys, remember to be taking notes. So I recommend you constructing first, and then after you construct it, then take the notes on it. Have a nice day. Bye.